Thanks to you, I've got a reason to get out of bed, make a move or two. Thanks to you, there's a net below.